In 1995, a team of geologists was drilling in Siberia. They were looking for water. Instead, they found something else. At a depth of over 100 meters, the drill stopped. It hit something hard, metal hard. The team pulled up the core sample. Embedded in the rock was an object, small, dark, metallic. It looked ancient, but it didn't look like anything they had ever seen. The object was sent to a lab for analysis. They tested its composition, they tested its age, they tried to figure out what it was made of, and that's when things got strange. The object contained no known elements, not iron, not copper, not any metal found on Earth. It was a metallic alloy, but the composition didn't match anything in the periodic table. The lab called it anomalous material. They tried to date it using radiocarbon dating, no carbon. They tried potassium argon dating, no potassium. They tried every method available. Every test came back with the same result: inconclusive. The object was too old for standard dating methods, or it was made from something that didn't exist on this planet. That was 1995. The team published their findings in a small scientific journal. Few people noticed, but those who did were intrigued. They asked to see the object. They asked for more samples. They asked for permission to excavate the site. Permission was denied. The site was sealed. The object disappeared into a private collection. Some say it was taken to Moscow. Others say it was sold. A few believe it was destroyed. But one thing is certain: the object was real. It was found. It was tested. And it defied explanation. Let's go back to the beginning. The drilling site was in a remote part of Siberia. The area is known for its harsh climate, permafrost, snow, ice, but it's also known for something else: strange artifacts. Over the years, locals have reported finding unusual objects in the region: metal fragments, stone tools with unexplained markings, even jewelry that doesn't match any known culture. Most of these reports were dismissed as folklore, but the 1995 find was different. It was documented, it was studied, it was confirmed by multiple scientists. So what was it? One theory suggests it's a meteorite, a fragment from a space rock that landed thousands of years ago. The unusual composition could be from an asteroid, but there's a problem with that theory. Meteorites leave craters, they leave traces, they leave evidence. No crater was found near the drilling site, no impact scars, no signs of a meteor strike. Another theory suggests it's a man-made object, not from Earth, from somewhere else. That theory is difficult to prove, but it's equally difficult to disprove, because if the object was made by ancient humans, it would contain elements we recognize. It would have tool marks. It would fit into known archaeological periods. It doesn't. Some researchers believe the object is evidence of a lost civilization, a civilization that existed before recorded history, a civilization that had technology far beyond what we thought possible. If that's true, then what happened to them? There are no records, no texts, no other artifacts, just this one object buried deep in the Siberian permafrost. The site was closed for a reason. In 2010, a team of independent researchers tried to revisit the location. They received no response from the Russian government. Their requests were ignored. They tried to find the original geologists. Some had died. Others refused to talk. One man still alive said only 2 words: "Leave it." He wouldn't explain further. The object remains hidden. No one knows where it is. No one knows what it was made of. No one knows how old it really is, but people still ask questions. Is it a piece of advanced technology from a forgotten era? Is it a fragment of something larger, buried deeper? Is it a message from someone or something that we're not supposed to understand? The answers might still be in Siberia.